Have you ever wondered how some people manage to live with so little yet seem so fulfilled and stress-free? What if I told you that simplifying your life doesn't mean giving up what you love, but rather making space for what truly matters? Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about clarity, intention, and freedom. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 10 powerful frugal minimalist rules that can simplify your life, save you money, and make you feel lighter and more purposeful. So stay focused till the end. Let's dive into these life-changing strategies. Number 1. Buy quality, not quantity. Imagine this. You're in a rush to buy a pair of shoes. You grab a cheap pair only to find them falling apart within months. Then you repeat the process, spending more money over time. Sound familiar? Buying quality might cost more upfront, but in the long run, it's cheaper and better for the planet. A study from Princeton University found that households who invested in high-quality items spent 30% less annually on replacements. Before buying, ask yourself, will this item last me years, not months? If yes, go for it. If not, skip it. Less clutter, fewer replacements, and more savings over time. Number 2. Define your priorities. Here's the brutal truth. Most people spend their lives chasing distractions instead of purpose. They prioritize impulse buys over meaningful investments, chasing trends instead of building a future. What truly matters to you? Your relationships, career, health, or perhaps financial independence? Defining your priorities is the foundation of minimalist living. As James Clear says in Atomic Habits, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. If your financial system is built on random spending, your life becomes a chaotic mess. Do you value travel? Invest in experiences, not trinkets. Do you want financial freedom? Build a budget that reflects your values, not your impulses. Ask yourself, does this expense spark future joy or regret? When you align spending with your priorities, life becomes simpler, more intentional, and much richer in fulfillment. Number 3. Follow the one in, one out rule. Picture this. Your closet is overflowing, yet you keep adding more. Now you can't find what you actually need. Frustrating, right? The one in, one out rule keeps your space in check. If you get rid of something old, then only buy new. It's that simple. Bought a new jacket? Donate the one you haven't worn in years. This rule forces intentionality, ensuring you only own what adds value. A cleaner home, less decision fatigue, and more appreciation for what you have. Number 4. Embrace the 30-day rule. Instant gratification is the thief of financial growth. Most people make impulsive purchases in the heat of the moment. Studies show that 88% of impulse purchases are unplanned, and these little splurges often snowball into credit card debt or drain savings. By indulging in instant desires, people trap themselves in a cycle of stress and regret. Here's the solution. Adopt the 30-day rule. When you feel the urge to splurge, pause for 30 days. Write it down, reflect, and see if you still want the item a month later. In most cases, the desire fades and you'll thank yourself for saving the money. Imagine you're eyeing the latest phone model. It's tempting, but do you really need it, or is it just a shiny distraction? This rule creates a buffer between impulse and action, making your decisions intentional and thoughtful. Number 5. Master the art of meal planning. Here's a harsh reality. The average person spends over $3,000 a year on eating out, according to studies. People often make the mistake of neglecting meal planning, relying instead on takeout, delivery apps, or overpriced prepackaged meals. The result? Overspending, unhealthy eating habits, and an ever-growing pile of guilt as they swipe their cards for convenience. Dedicate an hour each week to plan meals, shop intentionally, and prep ahead. For example, batch cooking your meals and freezing portions ensures you avoid midweek takeout temptations. By buying in bulk and sticking to a grocery list, you reduce waste and stretch your dollars further. It's not just frugal, it's freedom. Meal planning is like budgeting for your stomach, giving you control over what you eat, how much you spend, and how you nourish yourself. Number 6. Embrace multi-purpose items. Multi-purpose items reduce clutter and make life simpler. Think of that avocado slicer you used once or the exercise machine doubling as a coat rack. This buy more, own more mentality drains money and space, leaving people overwhelmed and unfulfilled. Choose multi-purpose items that add value without adding clutter. Now, think convertible furniture, multi-use gadgets, or versatile clothing. Replace a cabinet of cleaning supplies with versatile solutions like baking soda and vinegar. These changes save money, reduce waste, and simplify your life. Before buying, ask, can this serve more than one purpose? If yes, it's worth considering. A streamlined lifestyle and fewer things to maintain. Number 7. Prioritize experiences over things. Research consistently shows that material purchases provide fleeting satisfaction, while experiences create lasting joy and memories. Over time, people realize their expensive belongings fail to bring fulfillment, leaving them burdened with debt and regret. Redirect your money towards experiences that enrich your life. Travel to places that inspire you, take up hobbies that fuel your passions, or spend quality time with loved ones. In The Happiness Project, Gretchen Rubin writes, "Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy things that contribute to happiness if spent wisely." When you choose moments over materials, you stop chasing status and start building a life that truly matters. Number 8. Pay in full. Pay in full whenever possible. Whether it's your monthly bills, a major purchase, or everyday expenses, avoid carrying balances. Instead of financing a new phone, save up and buy it outright. It eliminates interest and keeps you in control of your spending. Paying in full forces you to live within your means and strengthens your discipline. By breaking free from debt, you reclaim your financial power, reduce stress, and position yourself for wealth-building opportunities. It's not just about saving money, it's about taking charge of your future. Number 9. Digitalize documents and simplify. The clutter of papers, bills, receipts, contracts, and manuals is a hidden drain on your time, space, and mental clarity. People make the mistake of holding on to every physical document just in case, creating mountains of files that are difficult to organize and easy to lose. Embrace digitalization. Scan and store your documents on secure cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. By simplifying your paperwork, you free up time, reduce stress, and focus on what truly matters. A paperless life isn't just frugal, it's liberating. Number 10. Practice gratitude and donate. One of the biggest mistakes people make is tying happiness to accumulation, always wanting more while forgetting what they already have. This mindset fosters greed, envy, and dissatisfaction, creating a cycle of unnecessary spending and emotional emptiness. Shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have, and express gratitude by giving back. Donating items you no longer use or sharing your wealth with those in need helps declutter your life while fostering a sense of purpose. Gratitude and generosity don't just benefit others, they transform your perspective, reminding you that true wealth lies in fulfillment, not possessions. When you practice gratitude and give back, you lighten your load, enrich your spirit, and inspire others to do the same. Remember, it's not about owning nothing. It's about owning what brings value and joy. I'm dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom through right knowledge. If this video resonated with you, like it, share it with others, and subscribe the Wealthy channel for more wisdom. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.